To enable or disable sounds and vibrations YouTube notifications in Android phone, open YouTube app, tap YouTube to open, and then tap your account icon, select settings, and then tap notifications, scroll to notification screen, and then on disable sounds and vibrations, tap switch until blue to disable YouTube sound and vibrations notifications or tap switch until green to enable. If you enable, if you tap switch until blue, silent notification during the hours you specific tap to continue customize time can also customize time. Switch until blue, gray to enable or switch until blue to disable YouTube sounds and vibrations notifications. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.